Hi, welcome to ExamPadi. Our topic today is energy. In this video, we will 1. Discover the different types of energy. 2. Discuss the forms of energy and explain their transformation from one form to another. 3. State and describe the sources of energy. And 4. Identify the uses of energy. Energy is literally everywhere. It is all around us and even inside of us. Our whole universe is made from energy. We all use a combination of different types of energy every day. Energy does all sorts of things for us. It moves our cars, cooks our food, plays our favorite songs, and provides light and heat for our homes. Energy also helps our body grow and our minds think. So energy is a changing, doing, moving, and working thing. In essence, energy is the power or capacity to do work, such as the capacity to move an object by the application of force. This means that to perform a task, something or someone must have energy. Types of energy can be categorized into two broad categories: kinetic energy, which is the energy of moving objects, and potential energy, that is energy that is stored. These are the two basic forms of energy. The different types of energy include thermal energy, radiant energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy, electrical energy, motion energy, sound energy, elastic energy, and gravitational energy. Let's discuss further on the listed types of energy. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy stored in the bonds of chemical compounds, like atoms and molecules. This energy is released when a chemical reaction takes place. Heat is often produced as a byproduct of a chemical reaction. This is called an exothermic reaction. Dry wood contains stored chemical energy. When you burn that wood in a fireplace, chemical energy is released and converted into thermal energy and light energy. And what about the wood? Following the chemical reaction, it now turns into a new substance called ash. Stored chemical energy can be found in biomass, coal, chemical batteries, vehicle airbags, and so on. Heat or thermal energy. Thermal energy is produced when a rise in temperature causes atoms and molecules to move faster and collide with each other. The energy that comes from the temperature of the heated substance is called thermal energy. Here are some everyday examples of thermal energy that you'll be familiar with: the warmth from the sun, a cup of hot chocolate, baking in an oven, the heat from a heater, and so on. Radiant energy is a form of electromagnetic energy. It can take the form of visible waves, which is what we call light energy, or invisible waves, such as radio waves or X-rays. Here are some examples of radiant energy: sunshine, solar cells, X-rays, radiant heating systems, and so on. Light energy. Light energy is a form of electromagnetic radiation of a wavelength, which can be seen by the human eyes. It is a type of kinetic energy. Light energy is also very fast. In fact, nothing travels faster. What are some examples of light energy? Light energy is given off by things like stars, light bulbs, lasers, and hot objects. Motion energy. Motion energy is also known as mechanical energy. It is the energy stored in moving objects. As the object moves faster, more energy is stored. Motion energy is the sum of potential and kinetic energy in an object that is used to do work. What are some examples of motion energy? Motion energy can be found in any moving objects. And here are some examples: wind, a ball being thrown, someone running, a fish swimming, and so on. Sound energy. Sound energy is the movement of energy through a substance like air or water, and it's caused by vibrations. Solid, liquid, and gases transmit sounds as wave. What are some examples of sound energy? You can produce sound right now. And here are some examples. Talk or sing, clap your hands, stamp your feet, play a musical instrument, and so on. Gravitational energy. As you may have guessed, gravitational energy is the energy associated with gravity. It is the potential energy stored by an object because of its higher position compared to a lower position. For example, if it's further away or closer to the ground. Gravitational energy is used to propel the ride along the tracks of a roller coaster. And when you throw a ball into the air, gravitational force pulls it back towards the ground. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is kinetic energy that is caused by moving electrical charges called electrons. The faster the charges move, the more electrical energy they carry. As the charges that cause the energy are moving, electrical energy is formed. Lightning, batteries, and even electrical eels are examples of electrical energy in action. What are the sources of energy? There are natural and artificial sources of energy. Natural sources of energy are not man-made, and they include 1. The sun. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. The planets in the solar system revolve around the sun. Although the sun is 148.8 million kilometers from the earth, the energy it emits keeps the earth and its inhabitants warm. It also provides sunlight for green plants to make food during photosynthesis. 2. Food. The food we eat contains energy, and this source of energy is received by green plants from sunlight. When food is broken down into cells inside our body, the energy in the food is released. In other words, food energy is released from all the 6 classes of food. 3. Wood. This source of energy also contains energy received by green plants from the sun. When wood burns, it releases energy that we use for cooking. 4. Coal. Coal is a form of dead plant materials subjected to heat and pressure over many years. When the coal is burnt, the energy released can be used for cooking and other purposes. 5. Natural gas. Natural gas provides 29% of our energy. When it burns, it produces heat, and this heat can also be used to generate electricity and produce steam for running engines and for cooking also. 6. Wind. This is an energy that can be used to turn engines that do various kinds of work, such as the generation of electricity and grinding of grains in motion. Wind energy is a renewable source of energy that cannot exist without the sun. 7. Water. Water energy is energy derived from the power of water in motion. Energy sources using water have been around for thousands of years in the form of water clocks and water wheels. Artificial energy is one obtained by the action of man through processes of chemical or physical transformation, resulting in secondary products because they are obtained from a natural or primary energy source. Examples include 1. Electric generators. These are artificial machines that can produce electricity when there is power outage. 2. Batteries. Batteries are artificial sources of electricity that can power devices and store electricity. They can be charged when down. 3. Petroleum products. Petroleum contains various components such as aviation fuel, petrol, kerosene, and diesel, which boils at different temperatures as petroleum is heated. What do you understand by transformation of energy? Energy transformation or energy conversion is the process of converting energy from one form to another. According to the law of conservation of energy, energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Energy can be transformed from one form to another in different ways. Examples of energy transformation in our daily lives include 1. An electric fan, blender, and washing machine consist of an electric motor that converts electrical energy into kinetic energy. 2. Electric iron, toasters, and stove convert electrical energy into thermal energy. 3. The television converts electrical energy into sound energy and light energy. 4. A light bulb converts electrical energy into thermal energy and light energy. 5. A hairdryer converts electrical energy into thermal energy and sound energy. 6. The human body digests food and converts chemical energy into mechanical energy, enabling muscles required for performing work. What are the uses of energy? We all use various forms of energy for both residential and commercial purposes. These uses include 1. Cooking, 2. Refrigerating, 3. Cutting, grinding, and mixing, 4. Washing, drying, vacuum cleaning, 5. Sewing and welding, 6. Viewing and reading, 7. Operating vehicles, 8. Operating radios, air conditioners, musical equipment, computers, and so on. We've come to the end of this lesson. Attempt the following questions to test your knowledge of the topic. 1. Explain energy. 2. Enumerate the sources of energy and give examples. 3. State and explain 4 forms of energy. And 4. List 4 uses of energy. Thank you for studying about energy with me. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!